Hello everyone. The topic that my group was assigned today is collection and analysis of data on various resources in India. Now let us take a deeper look into the topic. Resources. Resources refers to all the materials available in our environment which are technologically accessible, economically feasible and culture sustainable and helps us to satisfy our needs and wants. Natural resources. Natural resources are resources that are drawn from nature and used with few modifications. The important natural resources available in India are water resources, forest, and land resources. Now, let us take a look at each of the resources in detail. Water resources. Water is a vital natural source. Water is a precious commodity. It is essential for multiple purposes like drinking, agriculture, etc. The chief sources of water are rainwater, seawater, and groundwater. The world's total quantity of water is approximately about 140 into 10 power 16 meter cube. Seawater. 97% of the ocean is unfit for human consumption. The remaining 3% constitutes polar ice, which is about 2.3%, and available fresh water, which is about 0.7%. Groundwater. Groundwater is considered as a gift of nature. The total quantity of groundwater is about 210 into 10 power 9 meter cube, which constitutes 0.66% of the total available water. Groundwater can be recharged through infiltration, seepage, and evapotranspiration processes. Water consumption in major sectors. Agriculture consumes about 93% of the water. In Kuwait, only 4% is used for the crops as it is water poor. On a global average, 70% of the water is used for irrigation. The table below gives the estimation of water requirements in India. Forest resources. The total forest may be regarded as any land management for the diverse purpose of forestry, whether covered with trees, shrubs, climbers, lions, or not. Uses of forests. The commercial uses are timber, charcoal, gums, resins. Ecological uses are herbs, shrubs, tropical forests which acts as the lungs of earth, stable environment for life and land. Regulation of climate by rainforests, reducing global warming by absorption of CO2. Prevention of soil erosion, providing medicinal values, oils, food products, shelter for tribal people, and aesthetic values. Overexploitation of forest resource is due to commercial demand, raw materials for industrial use, developmental projects, growing food demand, fuel requirement. Problems of deforestation. Despite the increasing awareness, deforestation rate continues to increase. Each day, about 32,300 hectares of forest disappears. During 2005 to 2010, the tropical deforestation rate increased by 9.5% compared to 1995. The major causes of deforestation: rapid explosion of human and livestock population, overgrazing by cattle, overexploitation of land resources, and construction of dams. Forest conservation. The National Forest Policy of India 1988 recommended that one third of a land should be under forest cover, which is about 33%. But today it is reduced down to 12%. The per capita forest area in India is 0.06 hectare, which is again 0.64 hectare of the world's per capita. We almost reached the critical stage. Land resources. In India, the total land resource is about 329 million hectare, which of 92.5% is utilized. About 162 million hectare is used for agriculture 5% as fallow land, 46 million hectares as real forest. The wastelands include arid, rocky, and sandy desert. Land is also needed for industry, commerce, transport, recreation. We must take effort for integrated land planning. Degradation. Land is an important component of life, but it has been overused and even abused. Reckless use damages the soil that results into reduction in quantity of woodland, grassland and cropland. Soil erosion, deforestation, degradation of watersheds and catchments are also some of the problems. We have to use the resources carefully and maintain it in a proper manner. The multiple choice questions. First one. Due to deforestation, primary forests have suffered a loss of 5%. Question number 2. These are forests on the plain and their productivity can be enhanced by proper management. The answer is production forest. Question number 3. Which of the following are not the uses of forests? The answer is deforestation. Question number 4. The National Forest Policy of India 1988 recommended that dash percentage of our land should be under forest cover. The answer is 33. Dash is eaten or made into a sharbat. Answer is shahtut fruit. Question number 6. The type of forestry aims at growing ornamental and fruit trees along roads, parks, or vacant lands. The answer is urban forestry. Exploitation of vast potential of forests may be due to the following causes. The answer is developmental projects, growing food demands, and fuel requirements. Question number 8. The world's total quantum of water is? The answer is 140 into 10 power 16 meter cube. The total water requirements of water in India in the year 2025 is about 100,100. The availability of fresh water is? The answer is 0.7%. The total surface water flow in the river basin accounts about dash BCM. The answer is 185. Question number 12. Which sector is the major consumer of water in India, which accounts about 93%? The answer is agriculture sector. Quinine, a malarial drug, is obtained from the bark of the tree dash. The answer is cinchona. Question number 14. Which is considered as the lungs of the earth and is called as the life support system? The answer is tropical forests. Question number 15. Commercial uses of forests include? The answer is timber. The short answers. List the causes of overexploitation of forests. The answer is commercial demand, raw materials for industrial use, development projects, growing food demands, and fuel requirements. Write short notes on commercial uses of forests. The answer. Some of the commercially valued products are structural timber, charcoal, raw materials for the manufacture of paper, newsprint, panel products, biddy leaves, resins, gums, essential oils, and a number of useful products. Question number 3. What is agroforestry? The same land is used for farming and forestry by Taungya, growing crops between rows of trees, and Jum, shifting crop and forest cultivation techniques. Why is forest known as pollution moderators? Forests absorb many toxic gases and can help in keeping the air pure. They also absorb noise and thus help in preventing air and noise pollution. Hence, they are pollution moderators. Question number 5. What are the causes of land degradation? Reduction in quality of woodland, grassland, and cropland, soil erosion, deforestation, degradation of watersheds and catchments. That's all about the topic given to us. Thank you for watching.